Meet EVO, the machine that will guide you through the world of CNC. Whether you're already a maker or just starting in the world of craftsmanship, EVO is the best entry tool for you. In less than 3 days, you'll be able to prototype designs and directly create small series of products. Are you planning to make a children's game? Engrave? Or cut out perfect molds, reducing your production time by half? EVO can do it all, and more. EVO is customizable and designed to be upgraded. This means that when your projects will need a more powerful device, you won't have to buy a new machine. And rest assured, we will be with you every step of the way, with dedicated assembly tutorials, documentation, and customer support.
When designing EVO, we wanted to make sure that it could fit in everyone's workspace. So we decided to make it in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. That way we are sure that there's a model that will fit your workshop and your projects. EVO can cut all kinds of materials, from softwood to aluminum, and can reach high travel speeds, up to 15,000 millimeters per minute.
So push your creativity to the limit and see what you and EVO can accomplish together. At Mekanika, we want to make production more accessible to makers all over the globe. We believe in local manufacturing, open source machines, and the power of community-based knowledge. Join the movement. Make differently.